welcome to the ECD, the best marketplace conference in Germany. Let's go and play some table tennis. What is your perception of the game so far?
Started strong and then started to strongly decline, unfortunately.
Very sporty and very challenging.
Stephanie, what are you looking for at this year's ECD? Why are you here?
I'm here to meet a lot of people I haven't seen for a long time.
There's a lot of new things to see and to learn.
I'm here for networking,
Sorry, we got interrupted.
Networking, meet new people, new marketplaces.
We came here to talk directly with some brands that we want to bring to our marketplace.
What would you say is the biggest improvement the marketplace industry needs these days?
Yeah, we have to be in contact with the brands and with the sellers and see what their needs are.
We are consolidating data more and more, and learning from the data, working with the data.
It is about efficiency. I think logistics very important. The pledge for climate is important.
That was live from the International ECD Table Tennis Tournament, and now I go play table tennis myself. Bye bye.